MCVT is experiencing a surge in price and volume, sparking intense speculation among retail traders about whether this could lead to a classic short squeeze or just another pump and dump scenario. The stock's sharp move has come seemingly out of nowhere, as there's been no major company announcement, partnership, or catalyst to justify the sudden spike. This lack of fundamental news has only fueled more debate in trading forums and social media channels, with bulls pointing to the technical breakout and short interest as signs of more upside ahead, while skeptics warn that the rally could collapse just as quickly as it started. Community chatter is centered around whether MCVT's float is tight enough to sustain a squeeze if shorts are forced to cover, or whether the surge is being driven by coordinated buying to trap latecomers. Some traders are sharing screenshots of large buys and unusual options activity as evidence that big money could be behind the move. Others highlight the risks of chasing a thinly traded stock with a small market cap, emphasizing the potential for sudden, violent reversals once momentum fades. The debate is also about timing. Many are hunting for ideal entry and exit points, watching key support and resistance levels, and trying to read the volume profile for clues about when the tide could turn. Some are treating MCVT as a quick scalp opportunity, while others are eyeing it as a potential multi day runner if more traders pile in. In the absence of concrete news, the next few trading sessions are likely to be driven purely by sentiment, momentum, and technical factors. For now, all eyes are on whether MCVT's unusual price action will deliver another squeeze to remember or leave bag holders in its wake.
So yeah, we have seen it suddenly spiked in this pre-market session. This is Monday, the 28th of July, intraday high, 14.51. On Friday, the 25th, it's gained 218.92%. Okay, so this is its daily chart. What do we have here? We have we currently have, let's say, downward projections, not into the upside. All of these are downward projections. Yeah, currently in play 11.09, 10.59, 10.29, 10.81. All of them are downward projections. Let's see whether we have anything even higher than what we had earlier on. This is when it spiked to that to $14. So mind you, this is it's a 1 minute chart. So let's glance at the 2 minute chart and see. 2 minute chart. We have nothing. This is, look at this, 14.51. So this is a target. Um, yeah, let's see whether we have anything higher than that. 13.37. Currently, as things stand right now, it has some upper projections, given that it's at 11.15 right now. So we have 11.62, 12.24, 12.62. Down projections, 10.56, 9.86, 9.43 currently in play. Let's see whether we've seen whether there's anything higher than that $14 and some fraction. There might be, but not, I've not seen it here. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. 3 minute chart currently in play, yeah, 15.84, yeah, 15.84, higher than 14.51, yeah, 15.84, 14.99, yeah, all of them upper projections higher than 14.51, 13.61, 12.61. So currently it has upper projections as things stand right now on this 3 minute chart. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. We have yeah, even up higher projections. We have 14.31, 16.03, 17.05. Downward projections, 9.51, 10.21, 11.36 is currently an upper projection. Okay, let's come down to the weekly 4-hour chart, which is active at the moment. Yeah, that's what we have here. Higher prices expected to remain in place up till, let's see, up till Okay, yeah. Okay, so the extrapolation is that in a few hours, it's going to be maybe about an hour and a half before the US market opens. That's when it's going to print its peak. And then after that, we are looking at the prospects of lower prices going all the way towards Wednesday, the 6th of August. That will impress short sellers. Let's see now. We have nothing to the upside. Everything is a downward projection. I think our market grid is also going to give us a very deep downward projection. So 1.83, it's a downward projection as things stand right now. Let's see what we have. Buying pressure very strong. You can see that very, very strong, but also indicating that it's going to be challenged as well. You can see that infinitely, infinitely bullish. You can see first derivative very, very strong, just indicating that it is presenting short sellers the opportunity to short the stock. So we haven't seen any news behind the spike. Downward projections are expected, but it could still defy the projections and extrapolations and go ahead and still print higher prices. But it's too hot now to buy the stock, so just be careful. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.